Umonem, and I'm live na Burkina, the capital city, Ouagadougou. Over some people, they are seeing I post on social media with AI. For the Ghana, seen all the real, all the very, very real. Umonem, and I'm live na Burkina, the capital city, Ouagadougou. Over some people, they are seeing I post on social media with AI. For the Ghana, seen all the real, all the very, very real. The only thing I'm going to do now, and when I go when you're going to say, go to Obuda, no look uncle, no all I put 500,000 per month. Something like that, add the law, water. So it's only be Obuda and the list businesses in which you Obuda as a Nigerian or as an African. Now my YouTube channel and I drop all those videos, full long video of businesses, spare parts, machine parts. Weathering business, furniture, so clothing, a lot of businesses naga here, and some people amalo. So eventually Ibrahim Traoré, the president of this country, Jiwe, go this master plan. We need those obode. In Ayanazu, if you know one of the infrastructures, if you know AI, so if you actually call Oboda. On a way to become one of the smartest and most advanced country in West Africa. So in Oboda, group business with ya, Echena no will all Ibrahim Traoré, all they create to go now for his own citizens. That is for his own citizens. Only create to go factories, industries, recreational center. This and all these factories, all these tomato factories only create to now. For his own people to work. So go away by Ejena Bruno be no ebi obodo. You went all mba. Do business bia as one people. Maybe business. In the buy no eba. Name business of you go no. Follow my page. Ghana my YouTube channel. Subscribe. You know what more updates of businesses in Burkina Faso.